Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an eye look based on the Confetti album cover. Now this is not an original video idea. This is actually an idea stemmed from Elise Wheeler. I've been watching her for years and I absolutely love this series that she did, and I just wanted to put my own spin on it. Basically, today we're going to be doing an eye look based on the colors and design of this album cover. So this is going to be super fun. I've never really done anything like this before, so wish me luck, and I really hope that you enjoy it. Now, first of all, I'm going to actually prime my face using my e.l.f. putty primer. I was using this in my last video, and what I'm going to do is first I'm going to put it on all the areas that I want primed, and then I'm actually going to use my really cool face tool. So what I do is I push it into the skin while rolling this over, and I'm just going to put this into the skin. I find that it pushes the primer into the skin better than my fingers actually can, and it makes it sink in better. Okay, so first we are going to do a pink crease, but we always have to do a transition shade. So a transition shade's kind of like a light orange, like it's kind of like a shade where it's not really going to show up in the look. I'm just going to use Affirmation. That's kind of like my go-to. And I'm just going to lightly put this in the crease. So next we are going to go into Retrograde. I'm going to put up a picture of the palette and the color, just so that I don't have to keep flipping the palette around. This is very pigmented, and we're just going to lightly blend this in the crease. I'm going to go into a small flat packer brush, and I'm going to go into the Soulmate shade, this like plum color, and we're going to put this on the outer crease. We are going to pull out our flat packer brush. So I use this brush, and I'm just going to wet it. So we are going to go into the blue shade, Crystal Clear, and we're going to put this all over the lid. I'm really excited to have like this section of my channel. I feel like I've been editing videos for such a long time now, and it's taken me a while to finally get the confidence and just get out of, you know, being scared of being on camera. And I think this is the year where I kind of try new things with my channel. Okay, so now we are just going to go and use a little pencil brush. We're going to dip into Serenity, which is like this minty green color. And we're going to put this in our inner corner. This is the look, and I think I did a pretty good job. Okay, now we are going to do face makeup. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the finished look of me doing my eye makeup based on the Confetti album cover. I think that I did a really good job of getting the pink, the purple, the blue, and the green look. And I really hope that you enjoyed it. I'm just going to show you a clip of the before and after. And if you have any other recommendations on, you know, the type of eye looks I can do, and I can even do like eye looks based on like music videos. Like, oh my god, imagine Remember the Time. Imagine that look. It could be like a gold and like, you know, bronzy eye thing. Like, I can do like anything really. So just comment below the type of look that you want me to do next. And I really hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!